All those type of reeds and grasses are very important for the stream health and stream ecology. One thing is they help to purify the water because those roots will be trapping all kind of sediment and all. Then of course the aesthetic beauty also is involved. It looks very nice. Then it traps the sediment and all, and finally the trapped sediment finally forms a little bank where many little plants can occupy, and then in that kind of place at the base of these flowing waters, the little fish and shrimps, crabs and all can have a home. So here you can see how nicely those stems are coming out of the water, and it provides a very nice niche. And then there's a small island also here. Not exactly island, but when the water flow decreases, it will become an island. Here also many smaller grasses are there. All these, and then this also traps good amount of sediment like this. And here the algae will form, and then little microorganisms will be there. That's good for fish and small creatures to eat, get food, as well as it's a filtration system. So if there's some light pollution and all, if there is sufficient greenery, all these grasses and all are there, they filter it out. But if it is if this big city and all comes, that load of that shit and whatever the soap and all such things that they flush into the system, that will increase the biological activity. Water will become brown and finally black, and nothing can live in it. But if the population density is less, this is good enough to fix the small level pollution. That is, the smaller towns and villages and all, they don't generate that much of pollution. So this much plants is enough. Plants, bamboo also very important. These bamboos. One thing is they provide habitat for the small birds, including weaver birds and all, like this kind of overhanging the water. Then that roots also, they form a very fine mesh which it collects silt and slows down the flow of the water and provides filtration and many benefits to the stream ecology.